Have you ever pondered about the future of the Indian pharmaceutical industry? Let me share some recent developments that paint a picture of significant growth and potential. The Indian pharmaceutical sector is a veritable engine of innovation and production. Industry leaders are appealing to the government to raise healthcare spending to 2.5% of GDP and rationalize the GST framework. This surge in spending could ignite further growth and expansion, engendering a climate conducive to healthcare breakthroughs. A promising forecast from the credit rating agency ICRA paints an optimistic future. It predicts that the revenues of 25 Indian pharmaceutical companies, which make up 60% of the industry's total revenues, will grow by 9 to 11% in fiscal year 24. This growth rate even surpasses the previous year's 10% expansion. Moreover, the operating profit margin is expected to improve to 22 to 23% in fiscal year 24. A substantial rise from 20.7% in fiscal year 23. Mental health is also gaining prominence. Neuropsychiatry medicines now feature among the top 10 therapies in the country, with the category valued at over 11,774 crores. The mental health platform, MindPeers, has noted a staggering 80% increase in people seeking therapies recently, with an astounding 85% of these patients being under 35 years of age. As we look forward to the Union Budget of 24, the industry is advocating for fiscal incentives to boost research and development. With the sector projected to inflate to a market size of 400 to 450 billion USD by 2047, the need for ongoing investment in research is critical. The high risk and low success rates make the research process tough, but the potential rewards are colossal. The Secretary General of the Indian Pharmaceutical Alliance, Sudarshan Jain, insists that the interim budget for 24 and 25 should provide benefits in terms of direct and indirect taxes and ease business operations for pharma companies. It's 2012. A parliamentary standing committee of the Health Ministry is scrutinizing the state of the pharmaceutical industry. They observe a startling fact. Some state licensing authorities are issuing manufacturing licenses for a large number of fixed-dose combinations, or FDCs, without prior clearance from the Central Drug Authority. The result? An influx of several FDCs in the market that haven't been tested for safety and efficacy. Now let's pause for a moment. What do you think about this state of the pharmaceutical industry in 2012? As we zoom in on the present day, we're faced with a new puzzle. Fresh regulations from the Health Ministry are setting a new course, shaping up a fresh set of challenges. Small and medium, the pillars of the industry, are battling to stay in tune with these new norms. The updated Schedule M rules are shaping up to be quite a challenge to decipher. What's the potential, you may ask? We're talking about potential drug shortages, soaring prices, and even the shuttering of these enterprises. The manufacturing of essential medicines under price control is teetering on the brink. But here's something interesting. We want to hear from you. Do you think these new Health Ministry regulations are beneficial or not? It's time to vote. Cast your vote in the on-screen poll and let's see what you think. Have you heard of Ozone Pharmaceuticals? A company with high aspirations amidst many challenges. They've set ambitious target, aiming for a top line of 1,000 crore in the coming 3 years. With their molecule initiative, they're striving to take the lead in the world of pain management. As the intrigue unfolds beyond the household, international trade policies and regulations become the architects of the industry. This Friday, at the Trade Policy Forum, the Indian delegation is poised to bring up pivotal topics. They will press for the generalized system of preferences status to be restored to India. Additionally, they will call for the United States Food and Drug Administration to speed up inspections of pharma firms and will delve into export regulations. And here's a little trivia for you. Can you name the global organization that governs international trade policies? Stay tuned for the answer. To sum up, the Indian pharmaceutical industry steers through a maze of domestic regulatory challenges, market flux, and global trade norms. The concerns over drug safety and effectiveness, the battle of small and medium businesses against fresh regulations, and the aspirations of firms such as Ozone Pharmaceuticals all contribute to its complexity. The destiny of this industry is also intricately linked to international diplomacy and trade protocols. What are your thoughts on this intricate web of complexities? Feel free to share your outlook in the comments below. As we wrap up our journey through the Indian pharmaceutical industry, it's vital to understand the crucial part that you, the consumer, have in this intricate system. Each medicine you consume, every vaccine you get, And all the medical innovations that enhance your life are all part of a story. A tale of robust research, regulatory trials, production complexities, and ambitious companies pushing the edge of as consumers. Our role is to be informed, stay curious, and insist on the highest levels of safety and efficacy. Bear in mind your decisions and input are pivotal in the future of this industry. So keep questioning, keep seeking knowledge, and prioritize your well-being. Each narrative in the pharmaceutical universe intertwines with your story too. Stay healthy, stay informed, and stay curious. Now, we urge you to share this video with others. Spread the word about the integral role that we as consumers play in the pharmaceutical industry. By sharing video, you're contributing to the awareness and understanding of this crucial sector. So go ahead, share this video, and let's build a more informed and healthy future together.